The B-21 Raider is the first new American bomber aircraft in more than 30 years. Almost every aspect of the program is classified. Ahead of its unveiling Friday at an Air Force facility in Palmdale, California, only artist renderings of the warplane have been released. Those few images reveal that the Raider resembles the black nuclear stealth bomber it will eventually replace, the B-2 Spirit. The bomber is part of the Pentagon's efforts to modernize all three legs of its nuclear triad, which include silo-launched nuclear ballistic missiles and submarine-launched warheads, as it shifts from the counter-terrorism campaigns of recent decades to meet China's rapid military modernization. The B-21 is capable of networking across the battlespace to multiple systems and into all domains, supported by a digital ecosystem throughout its lifecycle. The B-21 can quickly evolve through rapid technology upgrades that provide new capabilities to outpace future threats. China is on track to have 1,500 nuclear weapons by 2035, and its gains in hypersonics, cyber warfare, space capabilities, and other areas present the most consequential and systemic challenge to U.S. national security and the free and open international system. The Pentagon said this week in its annual China report, "We needed a new bomber for the 21st century that would allow us to take on much more complicated threats, like the threats that we fear we will one day face from China, Russia," said Deborah Lee James, the Air Force Secretary. When the Raider contract was announced in 2015, the B-21 is more survivable and can take on these much more difficult threats. Other changes likely include advanced materials using coatings to make the bomber harder to detect, new ways to control electronic emissions, so the bomber could spoof adversary radars and disguise itself as another object, and use of new propulsion technologies. Several defense analysts said the B-21 Raider forms the backbone of the future for U.S. air power, leading a powerful family of systems that deliver a new era of capability and flexibility through advanced integration of data, sensors, and weapons. Its sixth-generation capabilities include stealth, information advantage, and open architecture.